How to log in Costco Citi Card online account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser you want and now on the search bar, search for citi.com and press enter. Then on this web page, you will find a box from where you can log into your account. In case you haven't registered your account, you can click on the register option. Then that is going to redirect you to another page. Now on this page, you can set up your online access. You can set up your online access using all of these different options. If you choose your credit or debit card number, go ahead and enter that. Or you can also select bank account number and then enter your bank account number. Then after that, you want to click on the continue option. Then the next step is verification. After that, your online access will be set up. And finally, after the confirmation, your account will be registered. Once your account has been registered, you can head back. And on this box, you first want to enter your user ID, then enter your password. If you want to remember your user ID, you can check this box. However, leave this box unchecked if you are using a public computer. In case you have forgotten your user ID or password, you have the option to recover it. Click on User ID if you want to retrieve your user ID. Then that is going to redirect you to another page. From here, select an account type and use the primary account holder's information to verify your identity. You can choose bank or credit card customers and then enter your ATM, debit or credit card number here. Then click on the continue option. After that, you will have to follow the on-screen instructions in order to recover your user ID. You can click on password in case you want to reset your password. Once you do that, you are going to be redirected to another page, and here again you will have to select the account type. If you are a bank or credit card customer, enter your bank or credit card number, then click on continue. And after the verification, you will be able to reset your password. Then head back and click on the sign on option after you have entered all the details. If your details are correct, you will be signed on to your account. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.